Hey beautiful people, so let's make gypsy braids with our Renee Curls crochet. So Mother will be using 3 packs of our Renee Curls crochet for this hairstyle. This hairstyle is very easy, just trust me on this. So we decided to make the braids not less jumbo, but here's what to watch out for. When you attach the crochet, make sure you braid a little with the extension before you remove the other end, just like she's doing here. See? That's the first end, and she's putting it back so that it can be secure. Did you get what she's doing? And that's it. This will just prevent your gypsy braids from becoming shifty braids. That's the part most people get wrong. So she's just going to repeat the same thing. You can, for our model, we used 3 curls on 1 braid strand for some and 4 curls on 1 braid strand for some, because we wanted it very full. So you can use 1 curls for 1 braid strand, 4 curls for 1 braid strand, depending on what you want. Basically, it's your hair, so do whatever magic you want to achieve with it. So that's it. The most important thing to note is our Renee Curls is the best extension to use for gypsy braids because the curls are made individually like this. This prevents your hair from matting up and tangling.
Why you never said you felt that way? I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too